My name is Dan Carlton. I am the executive chef at Fish Nor Fowl restaurant. Fish Nor Fowl is a progressive restaurant. Like the saying says, neither fish nor fowl. It is something that is hard to classify or put into any certain type of mold. Our signature dish is the cassoulet. Cassoulet is a classic French dish. It starts with our house-made fennel sausage that we start brown in the pan with the duck fat. On top of that, we add braised pork cheeks and bacon, and then cook it all together with cannellini white beans. And then at the end, we put on a layer of breadcrumbs, which have been cooked with the confit fat from the duck legs, and then duck legs get added to the top. My favorite cooking technique would be confit. Confit is basically cooking something low and slow in its own fat. We take duck legs and cure them first, and then after they're cured, we confit them in our convection ovens at a low and slow temperature, and we cook them in duck fat. Our most important appliance in our kitchen would be our jade ranges or our sous vide thermocirculators, which we use to cook at low and slow temperatures for precise long amounts of time.